Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for another episode of the best Super Bowl party foods. This one is a pizza party theme. I have some supreme pizza egg rolls for you guys, as well as some garlic cheesy breadsticks. I did make my marinara from scratch. I will leave the recipe down in the description box. I'm also going to be throwing in some wings because pizza and wings just go hand in hand, as well as some good cheesy breadsticks. So let's go ahead and jump into this. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet, as well as leaving a comment down below to let me know if you tried any of these. Let's get into these delicious foods because they're some of my all-time favorite recipes. Starting off with the breadsticks, you're going to melt some butter, add some garlic, some dried Italian seasoning, as well as a little bit of red pepper flakes. This is optional. You don't have to add this. We're going to mix this together, and we're going to end up topping this onto a pizza pie crust. I just buy the regular old one from the store, and I follow directions on the back. I'm going to put this out onto some parchment paper, put my butter mixture onto it, and then I'm also going to be adding 2 types of cheese, Parmesan and Mozzarella, and then I will cut it and put it all into the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. For the supreme pizza egg rolls, I cooked up some hot Italian sausage, sauteed some mixed peppers and onions. I'm adding some diced up pepperonis as well as some diced up banana peppers. I'm going to add Parmesan and mozzarella to this mixture, as well as a little bit of the marinara sauce I made. I'm going to get a good mix, and I'm going to start adding it into my egg rolls, and then I will fry my egg rolls up, and I'll show you guys that at the end as well. For my wings, I always pick up Buffalo Wild Wings sauces. I like to buy the wild, Parmesan garlic, and spicy garlic. They have so many flavors, so venture out for whatever you like to try. I add a few wings to a bowl, add a sauce of my choice, and I typically just stir it up with a spoon until they're all coated, and then I will add them to a baking sheet and bake them at about 400 to 425 for anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes depending on the size of my wings. I get my wings from Sam's. I love the Tyson bag, 10-pound bag. The wings are always really meaty. And I just add them to this rack that I sprayed with Pam. I bake them. Halfway through, I do flip mine. I take them out of the oven, I flip it, and I re-sauce them on the opposite side where the grease has been dripping down, and then I throw them back in for the other half of the baking time.
Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Wings and pizza are some of my favorite foods on any given day, but especially on Super Bowl. If you tried these recipes, let me know in the comments down below. I'm sure you'll love them. Baking them is so much healthier than frying them, and they turn out fantastic every single time. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet, because I'd love to see you stick around. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching.